Xiamen Best Link Factory Company Limited covers two areas. Part 1. Quarrying, mining, and water well rock drill tools, including small hole drilling tools, drifting tools, bench drilling tools, down the hole drilling tools, casing drilling system and button bits resharpening tools, non-explosive cracking agent, hydraulic rock and concrete splitter, dimensional blocks extracting machinery and accessories. Part 2. Decorating stone splitting and cutting machinery for making the natural face wall stone, curb stone, paving stone, cubic stone, wall cladding stone, etc. We supply the Mighty Stone Veneer Saw, edge cutting machine, automatic hydraulic stone splitting production line, stone stamping machine, decorative stone breaking machine, and mosaic machine production line. We have experienced research and development team, pay special attention to innovation and development, obtained invention patent certificates and utility model patent certificates, and passed CE certificates for most of the products. Our mission is to develop efficient and affordable products. Let all customers like Made in Best Link. Our sales team is composed of a group of energetic young people. We can provide multi-languages service, such as English, Spanish, and Russian, with the stable quality, reasonable price, and good service system. Now, we are searching for area distributor in the world. Hope to be one of your partners.